trivia for today! One of the fascinating things that ever happened in computer technology is a 15 years old successfully hacking NASA systems. The phenomenon compelled NASA to shut down its operations for 21 days while trying to fix it. Surprisingly, the entire process of checking and fixing the problems cost NASA a whopping $40,000 then. Jonathan James, the 15 years old teen who managed to hack NASA systems, was put under house arrest till the time he turned 18. He was also under strict surveillance during his house arrest. And that ends our trivia for today.
Here's an interesting fact about Google. Did you know that Google was first named Backrub? Well, on 1996, Larry Page and Sergey Brin called their initial search engine Backrub, named for its analysis of the web's backlink. But on September 15, 1997, Page and Brin registered the domain name of their mushrooming project as Google, a twist on the word Google. Google is actually a mathematical term represented by the numeral 1 followed by 100 zeros. The name hinted at the seemingly infinite amount of data the Bernie code of their fledgling search engine to make sense of and deliver.
The Internet. Did you know? Computer scientists Vincent Cerf and Bob Kahn invented the Internet communication protocols we use today, and the system referred to as the Internet. According to History.com, the technology continued to grow in the 1970s. After they developed the Transmission Control Protocol and Internet Protocol, which is a communications model that sets standards for how data could be transmitted from multiple networks. The ARPANET adopted TCP and IP on January 1, 1983, which was considered as the official birthday of the Internet. And from there, researchers began to assemble the network of networks that became the modern Internet.
Today, we're going to talk about wireless computer networking. As the name implies, the computer network is wirelessly connected and communication is done by sending signals to the computer, which are part of a network. Networking using this method allows mobility. However, this is more expensive than other networks.
About computer. What is computer? Computer is a programmable electronic device that accepts data, performs operations on that data, presents the results, and stores the data or results as needed. And these are the basic parts of computer. So we have a system unit, screen, monitor, speaker, microphone, mouse, and keyboard. These are some types of computer: microcomputer, mini computer, personal computer, supercomputer, laptop, and tablet. And last, why computer is important. Computer has become very important nowadays because it is very much accurate, fast, and can accomplish many tasks easily. Otherwise, to complete those tasks manually, much more time is required. Computer-related facts. Computer. Yes, this is a computer. As we all know, computer is an electronic device that is used for storing and processing data, usually in binary form. And nowadays, we use it for online classes, gaming, research, and many more. Computers also have different brands like Samsung, Acer, Dell, and many more. And now for our trivia. Do you own or do you know popular computer brands like Apple, Dell, or Microsoft? Well, if you do you know where their office started? Well, here. Yes, in a garage. It's literally so successful now, I just can't. Big things often have a small beginning, so start small and think big.
I will be tackled about technology. First, what is technology? Technology is the study and transformation of techniques, tools, and machines created by humans. I have two types of technology. Simple technology as two or less simple machine. Example of simple technology including knife. Advanced technology has several simple machine. Example, microwave, oven, and electric iron. There are 7 types of technology: construction technology, manufacturing technology, medical technology, energy power technology, transportation technology, and agriculture and biotechnology. QWERTY keyboard was designed to slow down the typing speed. Water integrator that ran out water. The first computer mouse was called XY, position indicator of display system. Over 6,000 computer viruses are created and released every month. The Firefox logo isn't a pack, it's a red panda. Bye!
Good day everyone, my name is Andreas of Imanset from grade 730 and I will be giving some computer trivias.
What is the most successful computer in the world? Commodore 64 is the single most popular computer system ever sold. Released in 1982, the Commodore 64 had 1 MHz CPU and 2 big draws, a powerful programmable sound chip, and powerful graphics for a 1982 computer. But what is MHz or megahertz? It is used to measure the clock speed of computers. It is measured with GHz or gigahertz and MHz or megahertz.
Computer facts that you should know before you die. Do you know the first virus from the Philippines is called the I Love You virus? This virus was invented on May 5, 2000. The name of the creator of this virus is named Onel de Guzman, born on April 4, 1977. The first known computer programmer was a woman. Her name is Ada Lovelace. Kenya Computer was the first programmable computer made in 1945 that weighs about 27 tons, or at least 30 tons. Christopher Hassel is the world's youngest known hacker and notable for being the youngest security researcher listed on Microsoft Security Tech Center as having exposed a security vulnerability. The first ever mouse that was built was made of wood. The first gigabyte hard drive cost over $40,000. Group of hackers that are known around the world. Anonymous is a decentralized international activist collective and movement widely known for its virus cyber attack against several governments, government institutions, and government agencies, corporations, and the Church of Scientology.
Hi there, I'm Gwen Zara Seda from grade 7 Patience. Here's some trivia about computer. Did you know computer is an abbreviation for Common Operating Machine used for trade, education, and research? The first computer programmer was a female, named Ada Lovelace. There are 698 programmer languages. Computer programming is the process of creating computer programs. A program is a set of instructions that tell a computer what to do. A program is created using a programming language. A programming language is a language that can be used to communicate with a computer. Therefore, a programming language is an equivalent of language such as English when it comes to communication with computers.
6 interesting trivias about computer that you should know. Dog Engelbart invented the first computer mouse around 1964, which was made out of wood and with just a single button. Typewriter is the longest word you can write using letters only on one row of your computer's keyboard. The first known computer programmer was a woman. Ada Lovelace worked as a mathematician and writer and is famous for working on the analytical engine. Some of the biggest computer brands started in garage, like Apple, Google, and Amazon. MIT has computer that can detect fake smiles. It's used to train those who have difficulties interpreting expression, such as people with autism. A 15-year-old named Jonathan James once hacked NASA. This forced NASA to command the shutdown of operation for 21 days.
Tapos na po.
Hi, my name is Princess Alison El Salvador from grade 7 Generosity, and today I'm gonna share some trivia about computer. So, let's start. Did you know that the first electronic computer, ENIAC, weighed more than 27 tons and took up 1,800 square feet? Typewriter is the longest word that you can write using the letter only on one row of the keyboard on your computer. Now I know. The first computer mouse was made of wood. The first known computer programmer was a woman. Her name was Ada Lovelace. In 1971, the first ever computer virus was developed, named Creeper. And that's all. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Liam Princess Palma, and today I'll be sharing you some trivia.
Did you know the QWERTY keyboard is designed to slow down the typing speed? People boast about the writing speed on keyboard, and even became a competitive advantage for some jobs. To have faster and accurate typing skills. The initial versions of typewriter made in 1870s had a few technical issues, like the metal arms that holds the character used to crash when pressed rapidly. Christopher Latham Schultz came up with a solution to have a better experience and to avoid this problem. He made many design alterations to the keyboard layout. The current layout of QWERTY keyboard was finally designed by Irvington and Sons, which solved the problem of jump type base. This is my trivia. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hola, soy Dora. Are you wondering why my hair is long and orange? Now, do you know anything about computer? Well, computer has a monitor, keyboard, mouse, and system unit. Do you want to learn anything about computer? Well, you don't have a choice. You will learn about computer. Vamos! Do you see the computer? Where? There! Now, can you say vamos a la computadora? That means let's go to the computer in English. Say vamos a la computadora. Louder! Vamos a la computadora. Let's go! We are here. Now, who do we ask for help when we don't know something? It's not the map. It's Google. Now, say Google. Say Google, say Google. Louder. Google. I'm Google, I'm Google, I'm Google. Now that we are here in Google, in the site though, not the company, don't be a philosopher. Did you know that the first hard drive was created in 1979 and can only hold 5 MB of data? Well, that's something. And did you also know that Sir Tim Berners-Lee invented the internet in 1989? The internet is how I get the pictures of my handsome crushes. And did you also know that CAPTCHA means completely automated public Turing test to tell computers and humans apart? Muy bien!
Is this something that irritates you as well? This and this? Do you know what this is and what is for? That's what we were discussing in this video. So this is what we call CAPTCHA. So what exactly is CAPTCHA? So CAPTCHA stands for Completely Automated Public Turing Test, and it was invented in 2000 at Carnegie Mellon University by this man Louis von Ahn. It is a test to distinguish between computers and humans, and also to deter hackers and spammers from using bots, autofilling software programs on websites. Even if you don't recognize the name, we're all familiar with CAPTCHA. You will notice a box with quickly computer-generated letters and or numbers when you visit some website, along with instructions to type those characters into another box for security reason. And that's what exactly this CAPTCHA is. Now you know.
Hello everyone, I am Rihanna Paula P. Miranda, grade 7 patients, and I am here to share a trivia with you. I bet you know that input device is one of the categories of computer hardware, and the one common example of input device is keyboard. What is keyboard? Keyboard is used for typing letters and numbers along with some special characters. Do you know that typewriter is the longest word that you can write using the letters only on one row of the keyboard of your computer? He is Christopher Latham Sholes, an American inventor who invented the QWERTY keyboard along with Samuel W. Soule, Carlos Glidden, and John Path. Sholes died on February 17, 1890 after battling tuberculosis for 9 years. Sholes is a typewriter improved on both the simplicity and efficiency of previous models, which led to his successful patent and commercial success.
Yeah, I'm the one.